Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 4. We were on chapter number 12 and we have to do the exercises today. So let us begin. Exercise A. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. We have to identify adjectives in these sentences. First one, the class was very noisy. So here noisy is the adjective. Alright. It is describing the noun class. Second, it is a warm afternoon. Warm is an adjective. Underline it because it is describing the noun afternoon. Third one, the garden is beautiful. Underline beautiful. It is describing the noun garden. So it is an adjective. Fourth number, the elephant is a huge animal. Now, what type of animal? Huge animal. So animal is being described as huge. So huge is the adjective. Fifth number, I have 2 rabbits. How many rabbits? 2 rabbits. Okay, it is telling about the number of rabbits. So 2 is the adjective. Now come to number 6. Jyoti is an intelligent girl. Now intelligent is an adjective. It is describing this child. Okay. Jyoti is an intelligent child. So it is describing, intelligent is describing the noun child. What type of child she was? Intelligent. Seventh number, the book has many pictures. So many is also an adjective. It is telling about the number of pictures. Not the exact number, but it is telling something about the quantity. Okay. Now this is an adjective. Now come to 8th number. I don't like unhealthy food. Now food is being described as unhealthy. So it is an adjective. Underline it. 9th number. It is a rainy day. Rainy is an adjective. What type of day it is? Rainy day. So rainy is an adjective. It is describing the noun day. My uncle is very brave. Now brave is an adjective. It is describing the quality of uncle. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So now let us move to the second exercise. Exercise B. Put a noun after each of these adjectives. We have to put a noun, add a noun after these adjectives. First one, a cute baby. Okay. You can write your own nouns. You can think about your own nouns also. Okay. Second, a neat handwriting. Third, an innocent child. Fourth number, a good boy. A tidy room. An old man. A brave soldier. A broken chair or a broken table, as you wish. Okay, you can add your own nouns. Okay, you can think about it and you can write. Okay. Next one, a sunny day. Then a large house or a large room. Okay, whatever you feel, you can think about your own nouns also. An interesting story. Last one, a blue umbrella or a blue raincoat. Alright. Now, in this exercise, what we did, we added a noun after these adjectives. Now, these adjectives, as you know, they describe the noun. Alright. So, now come to the third exercise. C. Put suitable adjectives that go with these nouns. Now, in this exercise, children, we just have to do the opposite of this exercise. Here we added nouns after adjectives. And in this exercise, we have to add a suitable adjective before these nouns. Alright. So first one, boy is given. So we have to add an adjective. Smart boy. Or you can add intelligent boy. Okay. Or anything like that. Handsome boy. Alright. Second number, elephant. Huge elephant. Okay. Or you can write white elephant. Alright, you have to describe an elephant by an adjective. Okay. Now third number, intelligent girl or tall girl. Alright. Next, faithful dog. Okay. Now next one, old grandfather. We are adding adjectives. Alright. Pleasant weather. Pleasant weather. Pleasant means good. Now next, nice book. Okay. Next one, hot sun. 9. Next one, large classroom. Okay, or dark classroom, anything that you feel, that you think, you have to think about a suitable adjective. Okay. Now next one, dark cloud. Okay, you can write white cloud. Next, polite teacher, or you can write good teacher. 12th number, blue pen or red pen or black pen. Okay, we have to describe these nouns using a suitable adjective. So that is how we have done it, and I hope you have understood. Now come to the next exercise. Underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe. Here we have to underline the adjectives and circle the nouns. Okay. First one, I want 2 apples. Here 2 is adjective, so we have underlined it. And what is the noun it is describing? Apples. Okay, it is talking about these apples, so circle it. It is a noun. Okay. Second number, the child is happy. Happy is adjective, underline it, and child is a noun, so we have circled it. Okay. Third number, the elephant is a huge animal. What type of animal? Huge animal. So huge is the adjective, underline it, and animal is the noun, circle it. Fourth number, the cake is delicious. Now delicious is adjective, it is describing about the cake. What type of cake it was? Delicious, underline it. And cake is a noun, so circle it. Fifth number, the deer is a timid animal. So timid is an adjective. What type of animal it was? Timid. It is a timid animal. So timid is adjective and animal is noun. Sixth number, the house has a beautiful garden. What type of garden? Beautiful garden. Okay, garden is described as beautiful. So this description is the adjective, underline it, and garden is noun, so circle it. Seventh number, Mumbai is a big city. What type of city? Big city. So adjective is big, underline it, and city is noun, so circle it. Eighth number, the octopus has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. It is telling about the number of legs, now describing the number of legs. Alright, I hope you remember whatever I taught you in the last class. Underline adjectives. Okay, this adjective you have to underline 8, and noun is legs. So underline, circle it. Okay. Ninth number, the street is wide. What type of street it was? How it was? It was wide. It is wide. So I underline wide and circle the street because it is a noun. 10th number, the weather is pleasant. So weather is being described as pleasant. So this description is adjective. Underline pleasant and circle the noun. Okay. So now come to this value corner. Quickly we will do it. We use adjectives to describe nouns like unhealthy food. Whenever Rita, Rajan and Rani go out to have food, Rani and Rajan have burgers, French fries and aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means cold drinks. What it is? Cold drinks. Alright. Rita, however, chooses yogurt, salad and juice. Who chooses a diet that is good for health? You have to tell me. Give reasons for your answer. Okay? Who chooses a good diet? Rita, Rajan and Rani or Rita? Okay. No, Rani and Rajan or Rita? Who chooses better? What is the better choice? French fries and cold drinks or salads and juice and fruits? Obviously, this is a good choice, na? Yogurt, salad and juice. Okay, it is a healthy food and we should always opt to eat and drink healthy food and not junk foods like burgers and French fries and cold drinks. This is not good for health. So this is what we learn, okay, from this value column. and we have some more exercises to be done, and that we will finish it up in the next class. All right, and today's homework will be will be to learn to write and learn these exercises in your English 1 classwork copy. So I hope you will do it. Okay, and if you face any problem, you can always ask me. All right, so we'll meet in the next part of this video. Till then, you keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.